Hello everybody, welcome to our channel, Campus Activity. Today we will discuss about Object-Oriented Programming, OOP. Before going to details, I will request you to subscribe this channel to upgrade your skills with modern technology. Focus on high-demand areas like AI, cloud computing, data science, coding and cybersecurity, through online courses, practical projects, and certifications like Java, J2EE Net, C++, C, Oracle, SQL Server, Python Data Analyst, Power BI, Microsoft Excel, Python software development, ERP solution under the guidance of our project manager, Mr. Madhusudan Karmakar, who has Master of Computer Application, MCA, and worked on AI at Indian Statistical Institute, Kolkata. He is Oracle Certified Professional, ITIL Certified and Microsoft Certified Solution Developer. He was faculty at Pearson Group, world's largest education company, and he has 18+ years of experience in banking, NBFC, microfinance, and enterprise label solution. He is the master of ERP solution provider. Let's start Object-Oriented Programming, OE, simple explanation with examples. Next, what is Object-Oriented Programming? OEE is a programming method based on objects. Objects contain data, variables, and actions, methods, helps us write clean, reusable, and easy-to-understand code. Based on real-world examples, next class, and object, class, AW please, OE, a real item created from a class. Example, my car, your car. Next 4 pillars of OOP. Encapsulation, inheritance, abstraction, polymorphism. Next encapsulation, with example. Wrapping data and methods into a single unit. Protects data from outside access. Example. ATM machine, user can withdraw money but cannot see internal process. Inheritance, with example. One class can acquire properties of another class. Parent class, child class. Example. Vehicle. Car uses features of vehicle. Next abstraction, with example, shows only important details, hides unnecessary information. Example. Driving a car, we use steering and brakes without knowing engine details. Next polymorphism, with example. Same action, different behavior. One function works differently. Example. Animal sound, dog barks, cat meows. Next, why use OOP? Code reusability, easy to manage large programs, improves readability, saves time and effort. Next, benefits of object-oriented programming, handles complex data easily, improves program structure, easy debugging and maintenance, used in real-world applications. Next, OEP, languages, Java, Python, C++, C#, JavaScript, Ruby. Thank you. To join our live project training program and certifications on Java, J2EE, .NET, C++, C, Oracle, SQL Server, Python, Data Analyst, Power BI, Microsoft Excel, Python, software development. ERP solution under Mr. Madhusudan Karmakar. Please send us email at clusterindia02@gmail.com or send WhatsApp message at 891 064 550.